Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about Year 9 Achievement Test, June 2023. Section B, Question 18. Ankit, Marcella, and Roizen each bought a plant. The original height of Ankit's plant was 9.7 centimeters. The original height of Marcella's plant was 7.5 centimeters. The original height of Roizen's plant was 83 millimeters. Now, you will notice that these two are the same in centimeters, and this one is in millimeters. So we have to turn this into centimeters so we can solve the rest of the question. Now, let's do this. First, 83, we want to turn it into centimeters. What do we do? Very good. We divide it by 10 because we know that 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. So we divide it by 10 and we will end up with 8.3 equals 8.3 centimeters. Very good. Now we have all of them in centimeters. We can continue with the question. After 1 year, each plant was measured again. Ankit said, my plant's new height is double its original height, plus 12.8. Marcella said, my plant's new height is its original height squared, subtract 23.5. Roizen said, my plant's new height is half its original height, multiplied by 7.8. Now, let's read the rest of the question. What is the height difference between the tallest plant and the shortest plant now? You must show all your work, give units with your answers. So we need to find first the new heights of the plants and then take the highest one or the tallest one and the shortest one and subtract them from each other. That's the whole idea of this question. Now let me cover this part here so I can work on this space, okay? So shortest and highest, subtract them, show your work, and give units with your answer. So let's put this here. Let's start the answer. First, I'm going to divide this area into 3 parts. Okay, 1, 2, and 3, and then the final answer will be on the side here. So we have 3 parts. We're going to describe everything that happened to each plant. We will give letters for the places of the plants. So Ankit is A. Marcella, let's call it M. And the last one is Roizen, let's call it R. Let's follow them one by one. So Ankit original height was 9.7. His plant's height was 9.7 centimeters. Give your units with every single answer, okay? So 9.7 centimeters. The original height of Marcella's plant was 7.5. So 7.5 centimeters, like this. And then the original height of Roizen's plant was 8.3 centimeters, as we said. So this one is 8.3 centimeters. Now, this is the start of the question. Now, let's see what happens after 1 year. With Ankit, Ankit said, my plant's new height is double its original height, plus 12.8. Double means what? Double means multiplied by 2. Very good. So we're going to multiply this by 2. So 2 multiplied by 9.7. And then he said plus 12.8. So plus 12.8. Let's write it like this. It's plus 12.8. I don't have to make it smaller. You can see it. And this will give me the final height of his plant. So let's do this in the calculator. 2 times 9.7. 2 times 9.7 here. And then plus 12.8. And the final answer is 32.2 centimeters. As they said, you must give units with every answer you have, okay? So the final height of Ankit's plant is 32.2 centimeters. Now let's come to Marcella's. Marcella's plant, Marcella, what did he say? What should she say? I'm sorry. My plant's new height is its original height squared. Subtract 23.5. The meaning of squared means what? It means power of 2. Very good. So we're going to take 7.5 and then we will write power of 2 on top of it like this. So the original height squared and then subtract 23.5. So minus 23.5 like this. And this calculation will give me the new height of her plant or his plant, I'm sorry. So 7.5 squared minus 23.5 equals 32.75. And it's in centimeters. Very good. Now we have the new height or the final height of Marcella's plant. Now we come to Roizen. Roizen said, my plant's new height is half its original height. Half means what? Very good. Divided by 2. So it's going to be 8.3 divide 2. Very good. So 8.3 divide 2, like this. And then multiplied by 7.8, multiplied by 7.8. So divided by 2 and multiplied by 7.8. So let's take this here. And then multiplied by 7.8. Multiplied by 7.8, like this. So as we said, half means divide 2. Half means divide 2. And then multiplied by 7.8. And when I do this calculation, it will give me the final height of this plant, okay? Roizen's plant. Now the final height will be 32.37. 32.37 centimeters. Now we found the final height for each plant. After doing this, we're going to follow the rest of the question, which tells us what? To subtract or find the difference between the tallest plant and the shortest plant. First, we need to know which one is the tallest one. The tallest one is which one? Very good. It's this one. This one is the tallest plant, 32.75. And the shortest one is this one, which is 32.2. Now we have to subtract them from each other. So 32.75 minus 32.2, like this. 32.75 minus 32.2 equals what? Equals 0.55, 0.55, and the unit is centimeters. Very good. So the unit is centimeters. As we said, we have to write the unit with the answer. And this is very important because we have to follow the constructions or the instructions of the question itself. So we found the difference between the tallest and the shortest, and it's 0.55 centimeters. Now you can turn it into millimeters, turn it into millimeters by multiplying by 10. You can do it like this, but they didn't ask for that. But if you want to write it in millimeters, you're going to multiply it by 10, and the answer will be 5.5, and you have to write the unit, which is millimeters. And this is how you answer a question like this. So focus on the steps that we followed and focus on the ideas that we used in answering this question. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.